Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have my first fashion haul with Stitch Fix. I'm looking forward to seeing what a stylist has picked out for me. I'm not a very fashionable person. I wish I was, but I'm kind of a tomboy and I rely on others to help me get out of the rut that I'm in. So I decided to do Stitch Fix, and this is my first one ever, so let me go ahead and open this box and see what we have going on. I will also try on the items later to see if they fit and show you guys, and we'll just see how it all goes. Oops. Envelope, card, and of course the price of everything. Yay! Alright, the first thing I see is a little tiny Stitch Fix box, which is some earrings. Now I do have my ears pierced, but I'm not a very earring person, especially hoops. I don't do hoops. Having little ones, I don't do earrings. So that is a no for me. They're cute, but just not my style. And we have, right off the bat, nope, this is not going to happen with me. Soft, but definitely not my style. It is, oh, it's a hoodie. I don't know how I feel about this. It's soft. So this is a Market and Spruce brand sweatshirt. Hoodie style sweatshirt. It's really thin, soft material. Oh, I might have to try it on. I may like it. I don't like the color though. Let's see. I'm definitely not a flowers person. Can you tell? So this is a no-go. It's a pretty blouse. My mom would probably wear it. But I am definitely not one for flowers. Cute. Okay, now t-shirt. Yes. Good Human. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Got the tied knot at the bottom. I like the color though. And see, this is why I don't let people buy my jeans or pick my jeans out, because this, I don't do this. I don't do the cuff ants, and I don't do frayed edges. I don't like frayed bottoms unless I've walked all over them. But I may be able to forgive this if they actually fit. These are distressed cropped jeans by the brand Conken. So that's what I got in my first ever Stitch Fix box. Stay tuned for clips of me wearing it all, trying it all on, trying it all on. Ooh, jeez. It's Tuesday, but it feels like Monday, guys. So yeah, let me go check on that and put all this stuff on minus the earrings, because that's a no. No, no, no. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the try-ons section of this video. So thanks for watching. Bye. So I love everything about this sweatshirt except for the colors. And it's not really a sweatshirt. It's kind of like a thin knit hoodie. But it's absolutely adorable. Excuse my hair. Minus the colors, and excuse the noise. My kids are upstairs. It's Sunday. And These jeans are also from Stitch Fix. And I have a mom pouch having 5 kids. I've got excess skin and I've gained weight over the last 10 years. And it sucks, but it is what it is. These jeans, they fit nicely, minus the waist. They're a little tight there. They fit nicely in the thighs and the calves, but I hate these stupid cuffs. Do you see these? They're frayed and they're folded. I'm already short, so any way to like elongate my legs would be fantastic. But look, it's got them holes. I don't like the colors. I love the gray, but like the off-white and the corally pink, totally not my colors. As a very pale skinned person, I don't wear them. Personal preference. These pants make me look super short, even though I'm only 5'4". I am short, I get it. But they just make me look super short, and they're not my style. So these are going back. This I would keep if it wasn't this color. So it's going back. And so I'm not a blouse girl at all. I am such a tomboy, and I prefer hoodies, t-shirts, and things that are more boxy and less fitted. It's just my personal preference, being overweight now since having kids. And this is something my mother would have picked out for herself. It's cute, but not for me. Very florally and definitely not my colors. Excuse me. Not my colors. I don't do light colored things, like off-white, white, because I feel very uncomfortable in it. I feel like I'm going to spill things all over it and destroy it the moment I put it on. So while it's cute, it's not my style. It does not flatter me at all well. I just don't feel good in it. So that's going back. Pretty much everything in this Stitch Fix is going back, and the last thing is a t-shirt, so let me go ahead and put that on real quick. Alright guys, so this is one of those side-tie tunics, and I'm not a fan of things that gather at my waist because they just make me look larger. I try to hide this as much as possible. While I love the material and I love the color, I love the fit of this until you get to here. Basically it just makes me seem and, you know, appear a whole lot larger than what I really am. I know that they say the camera adds 10 pounds. I don't need any more weight added to me, whether it's with the camera or with clothes, but it just grabs in all the wrong places, and no matter how I tie it or make it, you know, try to fit, it just doesn't look good on me. So this is also going back. I don't do the earrings. The earrings are not really my thing. I don't wear any. Yes, I still have holes. Yes, they're still open, and it's just not my thing. If anything, it would be along the lines of body jewelry, 14 gauge piercings, because I have stretched my ears previously and loved those, but I'm just not into dangly earrings. So thanks guys for watching. This Stitch Fix was a bust, and I will eventually lose some weight and then redo another Stitch Fix video. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. While I didn't enjoy my Stitch Fix the first time, I am hopeful that the next time I get a Stitch Fix that I will feel a lot more confident and better in myself and the clothing that they choose for me. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!